Good morning to Dr. Wangkului. Today my group members and I will be conducting a project presentation for Introduction to Programming Sem 1 Year 2021/22. And our group members consist of me, THASHEELA in charge of coding, AUNZIRAH in charge of flowchart, Candelini in charge of video compilation, NURPASIHah in charge of presentation slides, and Hannah is in charge of coding. For our project, we have to construct a console program to simulate the chicken rice stall, and we have to include array of pointer, basic data structure, file operation, and function. And we have to make sure the user enter the system and they're able to choose what rice and what add-on they want, and the system will calculate it, and they can view it in the transaction details later. And the user may choose themselves when they want to exit the system. So for our system, we use customer number and the amount of rice packets to do the loop on how many times the system will run and show the order summary and add it to the transaction details until the user exit the system. So this will make it easier for the system to calculate the total amount for all the orders made until the system is exited. So in our coding, we have 5 functions. White chicken menu is the menu of the shop. Transaction details is the details of the order and the total. Enter choice is the main menu. And update file is to update the transaction in Notepad, and display record is to display the transaction in Notepad after the system is exited. And then we have 3 structure variable. Order details is for all the order details of each customer. Customer num is for the loop for the system to run for how many customer and packets. And then cost price is to count the total amount of all the orders. So now, and then for array we have float. RPAC is the price of the regular regular chicken rice packets. Float SPAC is for the special chicken rice packets. And then float add is the add-on prices for the 3 add-on available. So now my group members will continue to explain how the system works.
Hello, I am Pasihah. So today I'm going to explain about displaying choice and menu. So when the user first enter the system, there will be displayed by choice that what they want to do. So in the display, they will be given by 3 choice, which is place an order. The second one is view transaction details, and the third one is exit system. So in the place an order, the user can choose what rice they want, and they can add a topping if they want to add a topping. So the second one is a view transaction details. View transaction details can always be seen by user if they not exit the system. If they exit the system, the view transaction details will the system will start a new view transaction details, and the old one will be saved in the text file. So if the user done with everything, they can exit the system by inputting 3. Our shop serve 4 types of chicken rice menu. The first one will be steamed chicken rice. The second one is roasted chicken rice. The third one is curry chicken rice, and the last one is fried chicken rice. So let's say we have 3 customers straight. The system will take an order at once. So the first thing first is they will be shown the menu, and then they can put how many customer they want to how many customer are ordering, whether it's 2 customer or 1 customer or 3 customer. So today we'll be showing you 3 customer first. This will be shown by Hannah next. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Alright, thank you, Chacha, for presenting your part. Now, on for the customer ordering details. So, after the customer has already entered how many packet of chicken rice they wanted to order, they can now choose what kind of chicken rice they wanted to order. From here, they can see the type of chicken rice available. After entering their choice of chicken rice, they can now select either they want it to be regular or special. After that, they will be asked if they would like to add on extra, which is the topping for the chicken rice. And to make it easier for them to order and add various toppings at once, the amount will be asked first, based on here, and then now they will be selecting what kind of topping they want based on the option available. Now on for the receipt details. After all of the three customers has done ordering, the order summary will be printed out and the total payment will appear for the customer to view. Okay, in order to view our transaction detail, we have to go back to the menu and press the option number 2. And after pressing the option number 2, the transaction details will be printed out as shown in this slide below here. And the details will appear in Notepad as well as a record for the user to see. As shown in this slide, you can see that the customer details, their order and topping and as well as amount will be shown in here.
Thank you, Hannah. Before I start with my part, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Candelini and I will be presenting on transaction details, customer order record, and how to exit the system. So now, if the user want to continue to take the order, they may press 1 again. Let's say they do not press 3 customers at once, but press 1 customer 3 times. The order will be taken 3 times, and when the user checks the transaction details, they can see all 3 together with the grand total down below. This shows as long as the system is not exceed, the grand total will be added on. This is the sample in a notepad. When they want to exit, they can input 3. They will be asked if they are sure to exit. If they press 1, they will be exit from the system.
Next, AUNZIRAH, will present about the flowchart for our chicken rice stall project. From the order detail, you will see that we have 4 different food menus that user can enjoy from our rice stall. The options are steamed chicken rice, roasted chicken rice, curry chicken rice, and fried chicken rice. Besides, user can choose between regular size or special, but special will cost more than the regular size. You can also choose any extra side dishes in your order. You can choose how many toppings of different or the same side dishes. The side dishes add-on that we have are liver, gizzard, and egg. The first thing is user have to choose order from the order details, which is the menu. After you are done eyeing the menu, you can proceed to put the number of customer and then choose the food that you would like to order. After you enter your choice, you can choose between regular size or special. And then you can also choose if you would like to add on any extra side dishes for your order. And after you are done, our system will calculate your total orders and will display the summary of your order. This is to make it easier for our customer to see how much they have to pay for their food. After you are done ordering, you can check the transaction details, and the details of your order will also be saved in the notepad once you exit the system. Once user is done using the system, they may choose to exit by themselves. So that is all from us. We have come to the end of the presentation. Thank you for your time and attention. Lastly, we would like to thank Dr. Wang for all the programming lessons she had taught us this semester. We hope to see you again next time. Thank you.